So, welcome students to the class of Final Cut Pro tutorial. Today we are going to understand about transitions and why they are important. So, we need transitions so that uh, two clips have a smooth change, so the change doesn't feel to be very jerky. We need to have some kind of a transition which is smooth, which is very subtle. Yeah. So adding transition like dissolves to videos for smooth cuts. Uh, yeah. Then we are going to see adding fade ins and fade outs to the audio, which is very basic and very important, so that you don't have any jerks while listening to the video. So let's check what uh, this means on timeline in our project file. Let's see what transitions are. Yeah, let's open our Final Cut Pro project, and inside our project, um, you can see that I've already made some transitions. I've already added some dissolves. Yeah, I'm just going to show you how I added them. I'm going to delete this. Okay, so there's two clips left to my left and to my right. Yeah, let's see what the clip is first. Let's go a little back. Sometimes I mean something in between. Yeah, so the cut goes like this. It's from night to a day. Yeah, so that can be a little bit jerky. So let's go to our uh, transition browser. It looks like this. Yeah, I'm so sorry I don't have a zoom in. So we have opened our transition browser. Yeah, in all transition browser we go to dissolve. There are many other effects, not only dissolve. You can check other effects too. Yeah, but at the moment we can go with something else as well, maybe radial. Let's try this. Yeah, and I add this. I double clicked on it and it has appeared. So for complete tutorial, please visit my Udemy page and you'll find my course there. You can also check the description and there's a link to my Udemy course. So please click on the link and check the course for yourself. Thank you guys.